Today we are going to explore collective nouns. A group of students.
Class.
A group of players.
Team.
A group of people.
Crowd.
A group of members.
Committee.
A group of workers.
Staff.
A group of sailors.
Crew.
A group of singers.
Choir.
A group of musicians.
Band.
A group of judges.
Jury.
A group of teachers.
Faculty.
A group of cows.
Herd.
A group of elephants.
Herd.
A group of deer.
Herd.
A group of sheep.
Flock.
A group of birds.
Flock.
A group of goats.
Flock.
A group of lions.
Pride.
A group of wolves.
Pack.
A group of dogs.
Pack.
A group of horses.
String.
A group of fish.
School.
A group of penguins. Waddle. A group of bees.
Swarm.
A group of insects.
Swarm. A group of ants. Colony. Check the description box below, and click the link to attend the test.